And now to those positive earnings from Procter & Gamble that we just mentioned. The consumer products company reported better than expected profit and revenue and raised its outlook for the year. That offered some relief to investors who, as you know, are also looking for signs that the consumer is holding up. The results sent shares of P&G higher by about 2.5%. Seema Mody breaks down the quarter.
Consumers are paying higher prices for household goods, and Procter & Gamble is reaping the rewards. Over the past year, the company has responded to higher costs and tariffs by raising prices on select products. And despite wider issues like the trade dispute and Brexit, growth overseas remains upbeat.
Brexit and its impact on consumer confidence definitely has had an impact, but we're still growing. We grew 2% in the UK. China was one of our best quarters in a long time, grew 13%. And in our industry, it's really about, particularly in these categories where performance drives brand choice, superiority of offering, delight of consumer. If we do that job well, we generally fare well, and when we don't, we have issues.
P&G also saw solid demand in its health and beauty products for things like its high-end SK-II and Olay brands.
Beauty, we're performing really across the board. It's the sixth consecutive quarter of strong growth. All portions of the beauty business grew significantly. The skin and personal care business grew in the teens. Our hair care business grew in the mid-single digits. So it's a business that's really hitting on all cylinders.
Like all consumer giants, the maker of Tide detergent and Gillette razors has had to contend with competition from its peers, Clorox, Unilever, and Kimberly-Clark, as well as smaller disruptors that have used social media as an effective tool to draw in customers. Meantime, the company continues to double down on innovation and technology to launch new products. Whether it's unveiling new makeup geared at millennials or digital diapers that track baby sleep. With new players flooding the market, analysts say Procter & Gamble's ability to maintain its market share will become even more challenging for the company in coming years. However, unveiling new products at the right price point that have wider appeal could keep this growth story going. For Nightly Business Report, Seema Mody.